The annual demand for manufactured goods within East African community is consistently growing at a rate of 16%. Yet, Uganda has encountered challenges in finding market for its goods, resulting in a noticeable decrease in manufacturing sector's GDP. According to UBOS, the manufacturing GDP contribution declined from 5,402.28 billion shillings in the third quarter of 2022 to 5,334.9 billion shillings in the fourth quarter of the same year. Import dependency, skills gap, limited access to financing, and insufficient infrastructure are some of the underlying factors causing this decrease, making it difficult for Ugandan manufacturers to compete effectively in both regional and international markets.
We are into the stabilization period in manufacturing out of the global shocks. And one of the bigger challenges is the raw material chains across the world. The raw materials are supplied as through same chains. So the prices in countries or areas where the raw materials are coming from, these prices are not stable. And then the logistic costs for transporting, because during the COVID, some logistical systems collapsed. And the few that have been maintained are now running at increased cost to recover for the losses made in between. And right now, the cost of shipment is high. The cost of the raw material is high. It is affecting our output.
Significancy of harmonized standards will ensure that products manufactured within the region meet uniform quality requirements. This will help eliminate technical barriers to trade within East African region and beyond. When products meet consistent quality and safety standards, it becomes easier for manufacturers to access larger markets, attract foreign investment, and promote export-oriented growth.
That standard mark will be recognized and enters. That is different from the perspective of where a product has got to be tested at each and every entry point of a different country, which makes the flow of goods slower, but also more expensive because of the various testing. So the harmonization of standards is very crucial. And I think this is an area that the ESC embarked on and should continue and enhance to ensure that more and more goods have got harmonized standards within the region.
On the aspect of homogeneous goods, we are trying to say, let's open up beyond the regional market, and we see how we can leverage the markets out there where the would-be domestically homogeneous goods are not facing competition out there. They go as standalone products because they are not produced in those foreign targeted markets.
The entire East African community can unlock potential for economic growth and development in the manufacturing sector through harmonized standards. This encourages collaboration and knowledge sharing among manufacturers within the region and can pool resources, share best practices, and collectively work towards overcoming common challenges. This collaboration fosters a conducive environment for innovation and industrial growth. Brenya Katsime, Smart24 TV, Business Today.